Hey everybody, hope you guys are healthy and safe. So I am unfortunately back in a quarantine hotel room in Hong Kong because I left Hong Kong to go to Italy and I traveled a little bit, and Hong Kong right now, because it's still very paranoid about COVID, as soon as you leave the borders and you come back, you have to quarantine. The good news for me is the quarantine is only 7 days now and not 21 days like it was, a few months ago. And I've already done that 21 days before, so 7 days should go by pretty fast. But anyway, I have an unboxing to do today. Okay, so this little flap here actually feels like a yoga mat, like the shape of it. So you have some texture right here that says, trademarks and stuff. Oh, and you can open it up right here. Can you open this side? Nope. Oh, okay, there's a slot right here to pull, I'm assuming, the phone. Oh, wow, okay. So we have the phone right here. Let's check out what's here first. So we have papers and a SIM ejector tool, and the SIM ejector tool you can see is I'm pretty sure this is like the Naruto logo. So that's a nice touch. Just like in the Dragon Ball edition, the SIM ejector tool was a dragon in the shape of a Dragon Ball. Oh wow, okay. I like this back design. Oh, this is pretty nice. So I think this color scheme is inspired by the outfit that Naruto wears, I think. Now, I wonder if this camera module is actually aluminum. I have to do some research. It might just be glass that's coated. Like these little dots here, there's no texture, unfortunately. I thought if I run my finger through it, they would have little bumps. But no, like right here, there's no texture at all. So this is a Realme GT Neo 3, which came out a couple of months ago, but in a new colorway, obviously. So that means this phone runs on a MediaTek Dimensity 8100 5G chip. You have a 50 megapixel main camera, 13 megapixel ultra wide, and then a 2 megapixel depth sensor. Those 2 megapixel depth sensors are useless, so this is really just a dual camera setup. You have a soft jelly case. Unfortunately, this case is in Naruto theme. And you have a charging brick. I believe this is a 150 watt charging brick. That is pretty insane. And a USB-C cable. No need to open this up. Let me boot up the phone to see if there's any special animation or if this is just like a typical Android phone underneath. Because the only other special edition phone that I've tested with a special UI was the OnePlus 9T Cyberpunk edition. That one had a really cool boot up animation, and also the skin was a little bit different. So I'd rather brands go all the way if they're going to do a special edition phone instead of just giving us like a new color back and that's it. Okay, this UI seems to be identical. Let me set it up and we'll see. So you do get a custom wallpaper and custom skin, and because this phone is only sold in China, so it does not come shipped with Google mobile services. As you can see, the search bar actually says Baidu on it, but I'm pretty sure you can set up Google really easily. Let me see if that's the case, just to do it on camera. Oh, there's even a custom TikTok icon, or at least this is the China version of TikTok, so it's like 2DAO or something. So I just have to jump into the app market. This is a Realme/Oppo's app store. If I search for Google, there should be like Chrome I can download. I don't know if downloading Chrome will be enough. Usually if you install Gmail, that will be enough. That will basically install Google Play Store after you install Gmail. You see, when I jump into Chrome and I tap add account, it already jumps into the screen. So that means Google Mobile Services is in the phone. Okay, so I've installed APK Pure, which is a third-party app store. And then in here, I will be able to find the Google Play Store because it was not in Oppo/Realme's app store. Okay, Google Play Store is up and running. You see, I'm already logged into my account because I logged in earlier on Chrome. Okay, let's jump into settings to see if there are any more additional settings. Nope, this seems pretty much like a normal Realme UI. Let's see if there are more wallpapers, Naruto themed wallpapers. So you do have two more to choose from. This is the main one. You do have like this one, and that is it. After these two, the rest of the wallpapers are just typical Realme wallpapers. So that's about it for this unboxing and setup of the Realme GT Neo 3 Naruto Edition. I think that's the official name. Unfortunately, I can't really test this phone much more than this because I'm stuck in a small room. I can't, do much real camera testing. When I'm out of quarantine, I may put this to test a little bit more, maybe, because there's a lot more stuff I have to test. So anyway, that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope next time I see you guys, I will be out in the real world again. Thanks, take care.